بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. دلوقتي احنا هنتكلموا عن سينكرو تشيك. ايه سينكرو تشيك وايه اللي هناخده؟ سينكرو تشيك عندك اول حاجه ريلي كونفيجريشن. انا قفلت كل حاجه ما عدا السينكرو تشيك والاوتو كلوزر، ده من دول اللي هختبرهم. اخر حاجه ادي الاوتو كلوزر وعندي السينكرو تشيك. هتروح السينكرو تشيك setting command only I close all thing only synchro check and auto closer I make open. Okay, enable. Okay, I go to synchro check this one.
Okay.
What I select, which is
B
I want B for Y. This from our scheme. This line voltage and this bus voltage. Line voltage in my scheme is VBY.
Okay.
And the bus voltage VBZ. Okay, this limit, lower limit and upper limit for our synchronization. Here in this cell, he gives this range only if the voltage in this range
in between
them, this consider it synchronized. Lower than this one, no synchronize. Upper one, this one, no synchronizing. Okay, angle shift 0, maximum slip frequency this DF. This slip frequency we need to test, and maximum angle 20 and 20, and breaker 1 close time. I here both two conditions to block this synchro check. First, if the breaker is closed. Second, if the MCB VT MCB trip. Okay, all this one I go to here to my output, go to interface, and I take these two VD synchro check and 25 W1 BK, and this 25 W1, this for angle, this for voltage difference, and this for sleep frequency. Must be three conditions satisfied. Any synchronization depends on three items: synchronization, frequency, phase sequence, and voltage should be satisfied, or equal, or the difference between the voltage, our voltage, and the bus voltage and the line voltage in this range. I make our frequency I put in this setting, or phase sequence in the range also. Okay, so I inject 66 here. I inject 66.4 because my VT secondary is 115. 64 0.4, and here 66.4. okay, I go now to change the angle. Now my setting is 20, so I inject this to 240 and 240. I inject this synchronizing. Okay, now I increase 20 degree and check what will happen. Now 260, let's go. Pick up. Okay, and 20. This will increase this one. Now this bus. Now I go to my line. same 20. Okay, يبقى second test is finished. في last test is frequency. Okay, we go to Friga.
Now we have checked that phase angle, right?
Phase angle. Okay, Friga. Sync.
Now we are going to change frequency.
We make difference frequency between
Line voltage and
bus voltage and the line voltage. Okay, يا لا بوزيتيف فين؟
عايز واحد بوزيتيف.
اه فين البوزيتيف؟ 32 حطها على النيجاتيف وهات لي واحد بوزيتيف. اوكي انجينير 64 point ماشي. This is for frequency. This is 0.2. This is now 0.2. Okay, and we will check it will come or not. This meaning come. Okay, now this critical point we increase this one 94.7, this 0.3, and check this will come or not.
32 على النيجاتيف ده.
اوكي
32 على النيجاتيف ده.
32 على النيجاتيف اه. هات لي بقى اللي هو السلك الاسمر ده. في سلك اسمر كده. Okay engineer, let me increase this 99.7 9.
اللي هو 25.
We should know not synchronization. Already no synchronization because this 0.21. Okay,
it will synchronize exactly at point 2.
0.2. This 0.2 is critical. 0.2. Okay.
اللي هو 25 ها؟
59. ها؟
اللي 25.
دي positive.
اه.
Okay. Now we check the condition for two conditions that blocks the if the breaker close and if the now this is the breaker close. Okay. Point 9. This 0.1 should be this synchronization, but this not synchronizing because I make this one to blocking because I making breaker close. Okay, if I open this one you will see cup. Okay, if breaker not close, breaker close now, synchronization not come. Okay, this first one. Second one is the VTMCB trip. Okay. يا لا هات لي الدرون كده بقى. شوف نعمل الشغل بتاعنا. يبقى now we tested if VTMCB trip will prevent our sync. Now we remove this MCB trip. We will check here output. Okay, your list is for this sound. It's coming sync. See, closed, okay, and stop the freak. Okay, if we make this one VTMCB trip and inject, nothing. Okay, but now we test two condition for this to prevent or blocking the synchronization: breaker close and VTMCB trip. Okay, now